Hi, I'm Coach TW from TeachMeVoice.com, powered by Florida Event Source.
And I am Natasha Cash.
And we are here to offer you the opportunity to hone in on your skills of voice.
Yes, if you have been struggling with your tone, your pitch, your ear training, or just hearing your voice and loving what you hear, you come to the right place.
We teach techniques to improve your skills at singing, voiceovers, even theater.
Yes.
So anything that you want to do that involves your voice, we even teach some acting lessons as well. So, okay. Anyway, we absolutely love training and working with people of all ages.
Yes.
And we are here for you and waiting for you to visit the site and click on the link.
Yes. And get ready for some fun,
Exciting.
down to earth, exciting, yes, professional voice training. We have been doing this for over 30 long years, but we still absolutely love what we do. And so we want to add you to our client list.
Yeah, jump on the roster.
Absolutely.
Jump on the roster.
You will not regret it. We look forward to hearing from you and working with you.
We do. So call us, email us, go to the website, teachmevoice.com, and fill out the contact form, and hey, we'll get you scheduled.
Look forward to seeing you. Look forward to talking to you, and look forward to hearing your voice.
Indeed. Peace.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. Ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. And sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Take me to the King. I don't have much to bring. My heart is torn in pieces. It's my offering. Lay me at the throne. Leave me there alone to gaze upon your glory and sing to you this song. Take me to the King.
I was born by the river in a little tent. Oh, and just like the river, I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus is the best thing I've ever done. Baby, let's cruise away from here. Don't be confused. The way is clear. If you want it, you got it forever. This is not a one night stand. Ooh, let the music take your mind.